Not all Volkswagen Atlas years are created equal. Based on owner complaints and safety data, here are the Volkswagen Atlas years you should avoid. These patterns come from real Atlas owners and government safety reports. First up is the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas, the model's debut year. This model faced what we call the first-year blues. Owner complaints point to early reliability concerns, including engine-related issues, electrical faults, and airbag system reports. There were also widespread problems involving water pump failures, which later became the subject of legal action. Next is the 2019 Atlas, which aimed to improve reliability but introduced new concerns. Owners reported unexpected braking events linked to glitches in the forward collision avoidance system. By 2021, some improvements were made, but problems hadn't fully disappeared. Persistent electrical issues and malfunctioning dashboard warnings continued to frustrate owners. Starting in 2019, many Atlas models shifted to electric power steering, which brought new complaints. Owners described inconsistent steering behavior, particularly at highway speeds. Braking complaints tied to driver assist systems also continued across multiple model years. In some cases, software updates resolved the issue, while others required full radar unit replacement. Now, let's look at Volkswagen's warranty coverage. The 2018 and 2019 Atlas models included a 6-year, 72,000-mile warranty. Starting in 2020, coverage was reduced to 4 years or 50,000 miles. That change raised concerns about long-term coverage for known issues. In some cases, certain repairs may fall into what we call warranty blind spots, depending on dealer interpretation and timing. So, should you buy a Volkswagen Atlas? Truth be told, early model years haven't established the same reliability track record as some competitors. That said, an Atlas with a clean history, completed recalls, and a successful pre-purchase inspection can still be a reasonable option. Buyers should approach early years with caution and compare alternatives carefully. The Atlas offers space and comfort, but certain years struggled with design and technology reliability. If you want a detailed breakdown of reported issues by model year, Car IQ Report is a helpful research tool. If this breakdown was helpful, consider giving the video a thumbs up. It helps this research reach more car buyers. And if you own or have owned a Volkswagen Atlas, share your experience in the comments.